guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back at y'all with another reaction video. And today I'm going to be doing my girl Angie Stone. This is a throwback song. It's called No More Rain in This Cloud. I'm pretty sure a lot of people out here know this song, but obviously y'all know I'm into like old school music, blah blah blah. And yeah, I just wanted to do it. It was in my spirit to do it, so I'm doing it. So yeah, the song is called No More Rain in This Cloud by Angie Stone. And yeah, let's get right straight into it. She's so beautiful. Black queen, period.
My sunshine has come. There's no hiding place when someone has hurt you.
This is definitely a good breakup song. It'll help you like move on, you know, just feel, you know, empowered and shit, like women empowerment. This is definitely like a women empowerment song. Not even for women, but for like also men too, if you get the message of the song. But, you know, Angie Stone, she's that bitch on the low. And she also reminds me of Betty Wright a little bit, RP to her. But yeah, let's get back into the song.
Broken spirit, lost and confused. Oh, ain't it funny that the way you feel?
Come on, bitch, hit a high note.
So hold on, anytime it gets a little better.
And I know I can't sing, but when you feel it, you gotta let it out. I don't give a fuck. The comments be like, you can't sing, blah blah blah. Bitch, I know I can't sing, but I feel the music. But I know how to dance though, and I know how to throw the hands. So what's up? Now let me stop. But for real though. But this song is definitely about. It's like a feel good song, and you know, it's just a song that you can like, you can just vibe to. You know, just ride in your car, just feel good. You know, and yeah, let's get back into it.
Baby, you'll always your time. Remember my love. It's only a bit. And I'm
I think she made the song after her abusive relationship with that dude. And, I think his name was D'Angelo. He has that song, How Does It Feel? He made that music video where he was like technically naked. And he sings that song, Brown Sugar, whatever like that. I guess he was like beating her up and she got out the relationship. And this is like her testimony song of like, she got out the situation. She's happier now. He can get the fuck on. She's done with him beating on her, blah, blah, blah. And I'm happy for her that she got out of the situation. Like D'Angelo, he was cute, but bitch, don't nobody want no damn crackhead. Period. But yeah, let's get back into it.
spring has come, and winter's gone right. But don't look around for me, child. I'll be gone, 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 gone. Not afraid. I'm gonna count my blessings, yeah.
Y'all with me?
No hiding place. You broke me down.
See, she's talking about him.
You broke me way down. You rain. Goes around. What goes up must come down. Things you do will come back to you.
Y'all believe that? Alright guys, so that's it in my reaction. I just gotta say I love that song. It's like a feel-good song. Shout out to Angie Stone. She looks good. She looks like a beautiful black African queen. I just gotta say, black women, y'all strong. Don't let none of these niggas try to play you and shit. Cause somebody will appreciate you. That's just that on that. Fuck all that other shit. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel. And if you got any other videos you want me to react to, just comment below and I got you, period. So until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace.